This is one. This is horizontal section. These two are horizontal section. Actually, this is curved section, not properly horizontal. This is proper horizontal section. Both of them. And this section ki bola hoy? This is one cerebral hemisphere, right? So one cerebral hemisphere with one part of the right cerebral hemisphere with right half of the brainstem and right cerebellar hemisphere. ঠিক আছে, এখানে আমরা কি দেখি? Here we see the parts of the corpus callosum. ঠিক, so parts of the corpus callosum are from before backward. The first narrowest antero-inferior end of the corpus callosum is rostrum. Then we have a bend which is known as genu. Then we have the body of the corpus callosum which is ending like this bulb which is known as splenium of the corpus callosum. Now here you have to show the relation. কি বলবো? Superior surface we have indusium griseum which is present in the floor of the callosal sulcus. This indusium griseum posteriorly connected with the grey matter mass over the splenium which is known as gyrus fasciolaris, okay, and which is forming the hippocampus here inside the floor of the lateral ventricle. Which one is lateral ventricle? This এই যে entry করছি, this is lateral ventricle, okay. This is body of the lateral ventricle. We are entering into that, সামনে চলে যাচ্ছে, this is anterior horn of the lateral ventricle. When we are going behind towards the splenium, this is the posterior horn of the lateral ventricle. So the genu is forming the anterior wall of the anterior horn. Splenium is forming more or less roof and the posterior wall of the posterior horn, and the central part or body of the third ventricle, it is roofed by inferior concave surface of the corpus callosum. Now this tissue which I am holding now, this is septum pellucidum. This is septum pellucidum which is absent here, torn, that is the fornix. ঠিক আছে, ফর্নিক্সটা এখানে অতটা নেই। This is lamina terminalis. ঠিক আছে, lamina terminalis is a neural tissue at the starting from the rostrum ending at the optic chiasma, okay. So here we have to see these structures. Now in the horizontal section, in this horizontal section, first you see this horizontal section, okay. Here this is the posterior end, these two are posterior end, মানে কি occipital lobes. Here we have the temporal lobes and these two are frontal lobes. এখানে fibers দেখা যাচ্ছে, এই যে rounded U-shaped fibers connecting to frontal lobes. Forceps minor will pass through the genu of the corpus callosum. Here you see the occipital lobes. These are connected by again one set of fibers, এই যে forceps major. This forceps major is forming one elevation. দেখ এখানে হালকা একটা elevation আছে on the medial wall of the posterior horn. This is posterior horn of the lateral ventricle. This is anterior horn of the lateral ventricle. This is septum pellucidum, and here third ventricle will be present. It is continuous here. ঠিক আছে, এটা মাঝখানটা থাকলে বুঝতে পারতিস। এখানটা দেখ, anterior horn of the lateral ventricle, posterior horn of the lateral ventricle, and here we are having this area belongs to the third ventricle. Now where is the presence of third ventricle exactly? যদি এখানে দেখাতে হয়, এইখানে দেখ oval shaped structure, এখানে দেখ, এখানে অতটা ভালো নেই, এইখানে বেশি ভালো আছে, এখানটা ছেঁড়া আছে, এদিকে দেখি কোথায় আছে, এই যে এইখানটা। সো দিস ইজ দ্য ওভাল স্ট্রাকচার যেটা এঁকেছি, থ্যালামাস। সো দিস টু, এখানটা a part of thalamus is present. So two thalami will be forming boundary of the third ventricle. So this is the presence, this is the area of third ventricle which is connected behind. This is posterior horn, this is anterior horn. ঠিক আছে, এখানে দেখ ভি শেপড ব্ল্যাক কালারের ব্রাউন কালারের ফাইবার্স দেখা যাচ্ছে, এখানেও আছে দেখ, এই যে এই যে ভি ইন্টারনাল ক্যাপসিউল lateral to the internal capsule this part is lentiform nucleus lateral to the internal capsule we have lentiform nucleus ঠিক আছে এখানে কোনটা this is internal capsule this is lentiform nucleus কোনটা lentiform nucleus টা হচ্ছে caudate nucleus lentiform এটা head of the caudate nucleus এটা all are part of basal ganglia basal ganglia part আচ্ছা so এখানে we have to identify anterior horn of lateral ventricle posterior horn of lateral ventricle thalamus both side in the center this part belongs to third ventricle holo now we have to identify this posteriorly connecting fibers forceps major and anteriorly connecting fibers forceps minor will pass through genu forceps major will pass through splenium of the corpus callosum bas আর কিছু এখন না আপাতত বাকি পড়াটা বলবো ঠিক আছে না আর কিছু